Thank you. You work here?
Yeah.
It's my favorite restaurant.
Really? I appreciate that, man. The head chef's right here.
Tell him he's awesome. J.O. Bird's great. Hey there world, welcome to another one. Is that on enough? Tight enough? Tight like a tiger. So, leaving the late lunch. This is a former jailhouse, actually, believe it or not. And yeah, it's like 4:45 or something like that. And it's a Friday. So I think people will be leaving a little bit early. Kind of want to go an alternate way home because I just see red lights all the way down this road and I'm not digging it. Change my mind. We can have plenty of zoomies. Post-lunch zoomies. Oh my god, dude. I'm so sick of winter. I'm so sick of winter. This golden hour, it's still warm. I'm pretty comfy. I'm surprised at how comfy I am. You know what though, we are going to go a little bit of an altered way. Enjoy the drive home, the ride home, not just get home. My mirror's weird again. What the fuck? Why does this happen? Gosh darn it, everybody's going the way I want to go. Sold. Engine sounds real good. Exhaust, I should say. Not really a fan of the sound of this engine. It's a little too clicky. Clicky-clacky, which I'm told is you do want a little bit of click with, that's the valves, I think? I don't know, man. I don't know. I wanted to go this way so I wasn't following people, but it's okay. One gone. Take a left. Or a right. Come on. Fuck. This guy's ready to let loose. it would seem. We love that for us. And him. Phenomenal day, phenomenal ride. Got a couple episodes done. Oh, dude. Neck's a little cold. Why is that? Why is that, Captain Ron? I figured it out. I think I didn't button up my jacket all the way and my... Oh, well. We're almost done. Not really, but... Oh, dude, look at that sun. Don't look at the sun. Big stick. I avoided that. I synced it. And with the sun in my eyes. I synced it. Alright, please take a right. If you guys take a right, I'm taking a left. Perfect. Very nice. Very nice. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm not gonna lie, bro, I kind of want to extend my ride home. Well, I already did by taking a left instead of a right over there, but I'm digging it. Hi. It's a nice barn. Battery died earlier. I should maybe clarify, right as I was pretty close to the restaurant. Died out. Ooh, nice little pack. Someone told me I should take my baffles out of my exhaust. I think I will at some point. I want to try it, you know, see what it's like. I'm thoroughly pleased with the sound and the loudness. I didn't want it to be too loud, and I like the sound, but someday we gotta try it. Can't not try it, right? Can't not try it. Wow. weird bump. Do we go that way? It's not really that fun. We'll do it. This turn. I think I've said that before. I still don't like it. Or this one. It's a weird camber. It's like you can't turn. You feel like you're very easily going to be leaning too much, because as you go up and right, it's kind of like this, you know. And I don't know. It's weird. I don't dig it. Not designed with passion in mind, one might say. Beat him, beat him, beat him, beat him, beat him, beat him. Of course. Never in doubt. Jackass. I just don't see why you really feel the need to be lazy and go over the double yellow line on a corner like that. It's like, I don't know, it just looks careless, and it is dangerous at times. It can be, you know. So I don't understand it. I'm not being a dick. I'll just throw my hands up, let them know they know that they're being a little silly as I go over the yellow line, on the yellow line. There's another one. That's why I just slowed down obnoxiously. Gorgeous. This is going to be tough, possibly. Arguably, debatably. Which way are they going? We're going. And then we're going left. I swear I just saw this truck with this dirt bike parked. No, I'm just kidding, but I didn't. Oh, you go, 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 go. I see what you're doing. You were letting them go, but not with a green light. I didn't expect to go. I thought about it, and then I realized I had a green. I'm not going to be that crazy. I hope these people aren't waving to me, expecting me to see that they're going to be able to go. You know what I mean? Alrighty, world. Thanks for watching this one. It feels like it was a quick one. Maybe that's just my excitement and my enjoyment. I was enjoying it, you know. So we'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate subscribing. And well, that's kind of cool. They put that freaking tractor up on like a. Anyway, bye bye. Take care now. Auf Wiedersehen.